lightsaber. So it's like this. You can see the handle here, and now chung 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 chung. Okay, so for making the origami lightsaber, you will need a 6-inch paper of kami. If you don't have 6-inch paper of kami, you can use 10-inch paper of kami or any square paper. Let's begin. Color side up. We are going to fold this edge up. How much? Well, I don't have a guideline for this, but this white portion, the width of that white portion will be the width of the handle of the lightsaber, and this width of the blue portion is the width of the lightsaber, not the handle. So I'm going to fold it up just like this. Okay, like that. Now I'm going to turn over, fold in half. Make sure you make really precise folds and crease sharply when the corners align. Unfold. Now fold this edge and this edge to the middle crease. This is a really short video, everybody. Okay, so like that. And now comes the very fun part. We are going to again fold this edge and this edge to the middle. Okay, like that and like that. Okay. If you now we are going to fold again the two edges in the middle. Oh my goodness. So, and now fold the model in half. Okay. Unfold. Now you see this edge, the blue and white portion where they are meeting. We are going to mountain fold on that. The mountain fold looks like a mountain here. So on this edge, see this edge, this. We are going to mountain fold on that, and don't make the crease sharp. Only light fold. So now, if you fold this behind and you hide it, and you just press with your middle and thumb finger while your index finger is here, just push it. Oh my goodness, it fell. Like that, and it just comes up. From the side view, it looks like this. From the front view, from the back view, it is like this. And okay, so now we are done. So there you have it, lightsaber. To action it, this side, this edge should be touching your chin like this. And as I said in the tutorial, you just have to push with your middle and thumb, and it comes up. Hope you like this. Bye, until the next video comes on Armani Space.